How to deposit money in Phantom wallet through Binance. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to deposit from Binance to Phantom wallet. First of all, after you open up now your phone, go and open up your Phantom wallet. Go to receipt. So now select the address, the network you want to send. So I'll use Solana. I'll tap on this copy button. I'll copy the Solana address now. Go back now to Binance. After you open Binance like this, now go to this asset section. From this asset section, go to withdraw. From this withdraw section, go to withdraw again. So in this option now, make sure you have Solana in your Binance wallet. So now tap on this search and search for Sol like this. So now here is Sol. Tap on this Sol button. So from there, tap on this send via crypto network. So from this option now, type in your address that you copy in this session. Now here is my address. Now here is my Solana wallet address. So now in this option now go ahead now and type in the amount that you want to withdraw or you want to send. So minimum amount you can withdraw is 0.1. I will use like 0.5. So from this option now you can be able to see the network fee and tap on this withdraw button. From there you will receive your Solana in your Phantom wallet. That's it guys on how to deposit money in Phantom wallet through Binance. Please like and subscribe.